the Techipedia. Hit on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon, and you can enjoy weekly techie videos.
What's up guys, it's me Debarko here, and today in this video we'll be showing you the budget PC 40k build, which will be a gaming PC. So let's get straight into the components that we are going to use, and the first component that I'm going to use is the Ryzen 3 1200. Now I've chosen Ryzen over Intel just because it has a good cooling ability, and not only that, but the fan looks cool. And the component I'm going to use with this is the perfect components which gives you the perfect result at the end of the day. So the Ryzen will be the one which costed me around 6,000. So the next up will be the motherboard, which will be a Ryzen supportable motherboard, and is the A320 by MSI. Now this is that motherboard which doesn't support overclocking, so but it priced at a cheap, just at 5,000. So if you want overclocking motherboard, then you can definitely go for any higher motherboard, and such as Asus or Gigabyte. The next up here will be choosing the RAM, and the RAM I'm going for is the Corsair Vengeance LPX, which is a 8GB RAM, 1x8 stick. Now if you're sure that you'll be having the 8GB RAM, then you can definitely go for that 4x stick, which I'm gonna recommend you, but I'll be upgrading it to 16, so I just opted for that one stick. Now for the graphic card, I chose the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti because I saw that no graphic card will be perfect other than this one. Now the now this is one from the MSI version with the 4GB graphic and 2 dual fans. So basically, if you go opt for the one fan, a single fan, it will be cheap, but the price, it will be just 1,000 less, but then the cooling ability will be better in the dual fan variant. For the power supply, I'm using the Corsair VS450, and now there are many power supplies, but I won't suggest to go for the cheap ones. 450 watt will be of more than enough, but you can definitely go for the 550 watt also. Now there are other power supplies available too, so make sure you can check out those other power supplies and go according to your wishes. Now for the cabinet, I have chosen the Corsair Carbide Spec 4, and now this was the cabinet which is of mid tower, and I found that this cabinet is a perfect one with that tempered glass over at the side. At the top you get the space through which the heat comes out. There is also that RGB, not the RGB, but that red colored fan, and the CPU is colored at red and black. Now the design was the main point for which I bought this CPU. Other than that, you have many other, such as the Spec One and other companies to choose from. Even for the RAM also, you can choose from the Hyper Fury or the G-Skill. So you have options there. Or for the processor also, you can choose from the Pentium or the i3 8th generation. Now this is when you update the BIOS, you will just start up and the Pro series. Now I've chosen MSI just because it's a gaming brand and one of the best ones for gaming, and you can have also other choices. Now this was the 40k PC budget build. I hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button.